Do you know it's actually possible for you to browse the internet even while your phone is in airplane mode? Yes, I'm not talking about connecting your phone to an external Wi Fi, using the actual data on your SIM card. Maybe you want to attend a Zoom meeting and you don't need any interruption, or you want to have a long WhatsApp call and you don't need regular calls interrupting that phone call. Maybe you want to you're not in the mood to receive calls, but you want to still have access to your internet. Yes, it's possible. And in this video, I will teach you how to do it. Now, as you can see, my phone, you are looking at my screen. Now, I'll scroll down here. First thing first, I'll have this phone on airplane mode since I don't intend receiving any other calls. Now, no more calls. How do I activate the data on my phone so that I can browse the internet? Well, here we go. I'll open my dial pad and dial this number on my screen. Star hash 4636 hash star hash star. And it brings me to this place. I tap phone information. Now, it brings you here. The next thing you need to tap on is mobile radio power. You switch on the button. Now, are you noticing something? You see that the data is on even without, even on airplane mode, the data is still on. So let us test it out. I will go and open my browser, open my Google Chrome. Mind you, I'm on airplane mode. So I will choose, okay, let me choose YouTube, youtube.com. Yeah, surprising, right? Mind you, I'm on airplane mode. I can actually watch any video of my choice. Any video. Yeah. This is a celebrity in Nigeria called Very Dark Black Man. He's trending worldwide. Yeah. Yeah. It's not just YouTube I can watch. I can watch any browse any other website. There's no limitation to websites I can browse. Now, this is just one of the news that pops up here. I'll touch on this one and you can see. So you can see that it's actually possible for you to browse the internet. I can make a WhatsApp call. If I want to go for a Zoom meeting, I can have that meeting for as long as I want without receiving any phone call. So yes, it is actually possible. I hope you learned something from this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.